Hello, everyone. Rob and I are going to be presenting on behalf of Team Tzolk'in, which is a Mayan word for calendar. This is in case you guys are wondering. So our project was MySpaceCal. So MySpaceCal is a project that was based on creating an online resource for satellite observation schedules. So making this observation schedule easier to access for both observatories and astronomers. Currently, the satellites, there's a few satellites listed below whose schedules are published on websites. Here's an example of the XMM Newton website and the schedule that they publish. It gives you also a little bit of an idea of the data that we're looking at. Gives dates and times and the actual positions in the sky of what they're actually looking at. So here's our team, pretty awesome team of developers and designers that came together and did some amazing work this weekend. So how far did we get with our challenge to create a solution for presenting this observation data online? So here's what we did. We built a data import package, so to make it easier for observatories to take all that data that I showed you and be able to import it to a website. We built a website using Python and Django. We also built a REST API. We designed a mobile interface, and we built a mobile interface. Built a mobile app. One of the really interesting things, and I'll show you guys, is that we're able to search by sky coordinates. So one of the first things we did was sort of mapped out the data that we were dealing with. One of the challenges was importing data. So here's an example of a data export from one of the sites. This is the interface for the C library importer. So this would be something that the observatories would use in order to take their data and upload it to our site or this site. This is also available for Java as well. This was the existing calendar, giving you an idea of what some previous team did. It's not really functional, but it did help us give us sort of a starting point. I gotta hurry up. And so I'm going to run through. This is the new calendar. There's a min interface. There's an ability for agency profiles. Here's our REST API. Here's some of the design exploration that we did. Here's the design for the mobile app. And I want to get to the really fun part right here. So what you're seeing here is interacting with Android, selecting an event. It's got the declination and right angle. These are the events. And it is... It's over. Hold on. 2 more seconds.
Can we get a round of applause?
Thank you. All right. Cool.